Hi, welcome to Yoga Download. I'm Dia Draper, founder and CEO of Workplace Evolved, or WE. We run leadership development programs, trainings, and programs for employees, and yoga and mindfulness for workplaces. So today's yoga break is called Go Time, and it's to help you get ready for a big event or a big meeting. So hopefully this practice will leave you feeling calm, invigorated, and focused. Maya is here to help us. Thank you, Maya, so much. And we'll get started. So Maya, I'm going to have you back up from your desk and stand up so that you have enough space to find a forward fold. So you might need to move your chair back. And we're going to start in ragdoll. So finding the forward fold, you'll grab opposite elbows with opposite hands and let yourself hang for a moment. So folds are very calming, and so it's a great place to start when you have something big coming up. And just you can find some movement side to side if that feels nice. Maybe begin to settle into some stillness and really allow your breath to be slow here. We'll be here for a few moments just to let the parasympathetic system come a little bit more online. And then we'll begin to find some movement from here. So I'll have you release your hands and find your shins with your hands for a half lift. So lengthen up, nice open chest there, shoulder blades are integrated. Exhale, fold forward. This inhale, rise all the way up to standing, arms come up overhead. Exhale, hands draw to heart center, finding a moment here to ground. Press your hands in, you can close your eyes or lower your gaze. Feel the energy of the earth beneath you. So feel that energy rooting in and drawing up through your legs, through your torso, all the way so that the back of the crown of your head lifts ever so slightly. From here, we'll find some standing sun salutations. So we'll take a full breath right here. Inhale. Sigh it out. Inhale, reach the arms high. Exhale, we'll add a back bend, lift up through the heart space. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, fold forward. Nice. Inhale for that half lift, lengthening the spine. Exhale, fold in. Inhale, reach back up to standing, arms overhead. And exhale, hands to heart center. Full breath again. Inhale. Sigh it out. Inhale, reach the arms high. Exhale, mini back bend, lengthen up. Inhale, reach up. And exhale, fold forward again. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, rise all the way back up to standing. And exhale, hands to heart center. Once more through with some side bends. We'll inhale right here. Sigh it out. Inhale, reach the arms high. And this time we'll bend over to the right side. So hold on to your left wrist. Lengthen up and arc over to the side. Inhale to center. Other side, so holding the right wrist, you'll lengthen up and over to the left. Inhale to center. Exhale, cactus the arms, lift up through the heart. Inhale, reach high. Exhale, just hands to heart center here. Beautiful. So we're going to find a standing camel now. So you'll place your hands on your low back and find a place that you can root in that draws your tailbone down towards the earth, so the low belly engages. Shoulder heads draw back, elbows draw in towards each other, and then inhale as you lift and arc, sending your heart higher. So imagine your shoulder blades were drawing together towards your spine to lift your heart up. Breathe. Back bends are really invigorating, so it'll bring in some big energy. Nice, and then reach back up and release your hands to your side. So to get ready for our big event, we're going to find a power pose. There's research that tells us that holding a power position can help build our confidence. So options might include hands to the hips. You could do arms out to the side, but find something that feels really strong and good for you. And we're going to pause here. You can either close your eyes down or you can get a nice strong gaze to the wall in front of you. Feel your breath. Let the breath be really full so it lifts your chest and expands your belly. And imagine yourself in your full power. So feel your strength. Feel how powerful you are. And let that radiate through you. Final moment here. Nice. And then draw your hands to heart center. You can step your feet together if they were apart. And we'll take a final breath to close. Inhale. Sigh it out. And namaste. Hopefully you're feeling focused and ready to go. Thanks for stopping by, and I hope you join us for some more yoga breaks soon.